Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Busy Maths with Miss Harnish. Today I'll be doing algebraic expression from Form 1 Chapter 5, which involves multiplication, addition, subtraction and division of algebraic fraction. Okay, let's first discuss questions on addition and subtraction. Okay, for addition and subtraction, first thing you need to collect the same terms. As you can see, here is 2x, here is negative 7x. Please take the sign in front of the term as well. So your first step will be 2x minus 7x. We have collected the same term, which is x. Next step, we will be collecting the next term, which is 5 and 4. So plus 5 plus 4, which will give you the answer. 2 minus 7 will be negative 5. 5 plus 4 will be 9. That's all. This is your final answer. Okay. For next question is almost similar. The only difference here is there's a bracket. Bracket means times. So you're going to expand the negative inside of both. So let's expand first. The first term just rewrite 2x plus 5. Negative with positive 7x will give you negative 7x. Negative positive will give you negative 4. Once you're done with this, let's arrange them into similar terms. So 2x will be together with negative 7x, where else positive 5 will be with negative 4. So 2x minus 7x plus 5 minus 4. So 2 minus 5, 2 minus 7 will still give you negative 5. 5 minus 4 will give you 1. So can you see the difference in answer with the first question and second question? There's a difference due to addition of a bracket. So when there's a bracket, there's a symbol, the sign of positive and negative outside of the bracket. Be careful to expand inside the bracket. Next question, I have added a bracket there with a number and a negative sign. So as usual, bracket means times in. So you're going to times in negative 2 inside the bracket, which will be times. So 5d negative 2 times 3, negative 6, negative 2 times negative 4 will give you positive 8d plus 6. Your next work will be, let's group them into similar terms. So 5d together with 8d and negative 6 together with negative positive 6. So 5d minus plus 8d minus 6 plus 6. So which will give you 14d only. 6 minus 6 will give you 0. Okay, so this is for addition and subtraction of algebraic expression where you need to collect the same terms and solve them. Be careful with the bracket as the negative need to be expanded inside together with the number given. Okay, the next three question is for multiplication and division of algebraic expression. As you can see here, the first thing you need to do is take your numbers 5 and 2, multiply them. First 5 times 2 will give you 10. Next step, let's go with power. You have r power 1, you have r power 1. So r power 1 times will make them plus together. So you have r power 2 now. Okay, where else for your w? Here is power 2 and here is power 5. So W2 and W5 will give you W7. Last one, you only have S power 3, so just rewrite S power 3. Okay, those who have difficulties to follow this method, you can also do the long method, which is 5 R W square means 2W times with 2 W is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have R and S 3 times. So then you just take your numbers. 5 times 2 will give you 10. So you have R1, R2. So R square, W you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have W7, S you only have 3. So you still get the same answer as given here. Okay, let's see the next one, which is the division. For division, always write over 3d3 over divide by 6 c4 d sorry, e square. Okay, so write over first. Let's solve the number. 3 over 6 will give you 1 over 2. So later on, let's cut off your algebraic expression. So which is same, e square and e square both are same. Cut them off, up and down. D3 and D1, cut your smaller power, upper part left with D2. So upper part is D2. Next one, you can see C1 and C4. Cut C1, balance left C3. So your bottom answer is C3. Always remember terms that are at the numerator, remain them at the numerator, and terms at the denominator, remain at the denominator. So your answer is 1 over 2 d square over C3. Okay, let's see the last question here where they have times and divide. Make sure you arrange them. 4p square q5 divide means over 3q6r square times with 2r3p3. So first step, arrange them. Next step, take all your numbers. 4 times 2, 8, 8 over 3. It will just give you 8 over 3. You can't solve them. Write in fraction form. Next step, let's collect our same terms. P2, P3 times means you will plus them together. 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Next step, our next letter will be Q5 and Q6. So if you can see Q5 and Q6, let's cut the smaller power, 5. Balance, you'll be left with 1. So Q1. Last one we are having there is R. For R, what do we have here? R3, R2. Which one is smaller? R2 is smaller. Cut. Upper one will be left with 1. So R1, or you can just write it as 8P5R over 3Q. That's all for algebraic expression. Be careful when you are adding and subtracting with negative. For times and divide, make sure you arrange them accordingly. That's all. Thank you for watching.